You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name. There are going to be different pronunciations. In English it means glowing or glittering white, a girl's name of Greek origin. The British English pronunciation is as Candice. Sometimes it's pronounced with an A in place of the I. Candice. Candice. Now, in American English, it's generally pronounced more as Candice. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.